Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Sony Xperia 1 V7 and the iPhone 16 Pro. Today, we're diving into the most critical specs: display size and resolution, camera capabilities, performance benchmarks, battery life, and more. Which phone offers the best screen experience? How do their cameras stack up in real-world use? Can the Snapdragon 8 Elite outpace Apple's A18 Pro? And when it comes to battery endurance, who really wins? Plus, with price points so different, is the Xperia 1 V7's premium tag justified? Stick around, because by the end, you'll have to decide. Is the iPhone 16 Pro truly worth the hype, or does the Xperia 1 V7 steal the spotlight? Let's get into it. Sony Xperia 1 V7 boasts a slightly larger 6.5-inch screen compared to the iPhone 16 Pro's 6.3 inches, giving you more real estate for media and gaming. However, the iPhone edges ahead with a higher screen-to-body ratio at 90.9%, meaning less bezel and a more immersive experience. The Xperia 1 V7 impresses with a versatile telephoto lens offering a continuous 3.5x to 7.1x optical zoom, perfect for capturing distant subjects with clarity, something the iPhone 16 Pro's 5x optical zoom can't match in zoom range. In raw power, the Xperia 1 V7 dominates with higher Antutu and 3D Mark scores, indicating superior performance in gaming and multitasking compared to the iPhone 16 Pro. Sony's octa-core CPU with two high-speed cores at 4.32 GHz outpaces the iPhone 6-core setup, delivering faster processing speeds for demanding applications. While the Xperia has a solid 1080 by 2340 pixel display, the iPhone 16 Pro offers a crisper 1206 by 2622 resolution, with a higher pixel density of 458 ppi, translating into sharper visuals and text. Both devices use cutting-edge 3nm chipsets, but Apple's A18 Pro is known for its efficiency and optimized performance within iOS, making it a powerhouse despite lower benchmark numbers. The Xperia 1 V7 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, significantly larger than the iPhone 16 Pro's 3577 mAh, promising longer usage times, especially for heavy users. The iPhone 16 Pro's LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display supports Dolby Vision and can reach up to 2000 nits brightness, offering superior HDR experience over the Xperia's LTPO OLED with HDR-BT20. Apple's 12-megapixel front camera includes OIS and SL3D depth sensor for enhanced portrait effects and biometric security, giving it an edge in selfie quality and Face ID capabilities. The Xperia 1 V7 features robust IP65, IP68 dust and water resistance, but the iPhone 16 Pro offers even deeper water resistance up to 6 meters and adds Apple Pay support, enhancing convenience and durability. Sony provides 12 GB RAM options with up to 512 GB storage, whereas the iPhone 16 Pro offers up to a massive 1 TB of storage, but with 8 GB RAM, catering to different user needs for multitasking versus storage. The iPhone 16 Pro leads in video recording with Dolby Vision HDR, ProRes, and spatial audio capabilities, making it the top choice for creators seeking professional-grade video on a smartphone. Both phones have stereo speakers, but the Xperia 1 V7's inclusion of 24-bit high-res audio and a dynamic vibration system appeal strongly to audiophiles craving immersive sound. Price-wise, the Xperia 1 V7 sits at a steep $1,700, while the iPhone 16 Pro starts much lower at $1,099, raising the question: does the Xperia's premium justify the extra cost?